Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a glitch on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.